Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a sparkle mica powder heart wax melt. So first we will need about 1 ounce of Pro Blend 650. We will also need some Nature's Garden Diamond Dust mica powder, and we will need about 1/2 of a 1/64 teaspoon. Keep in mind you can use different wax melt wax, but I highly recommend the Nature's Garden mica powder because it contains only mica powder and titanium dioxide. Next, you'll need 1 drop of any kind of color you like. So I use red for these, but you can use pink, blue, green, whatever color you will like, whatever color you want the hearts to be. We basically just want to get the wax melted and our color and mica powder incorporated. So here is some heart molds that I found on Amazon that would be the same as the ones that I use here. And then I'm going to pour into my molds, and it is okay if this part is a little messy. After letting them cool down, we can pop them out of our molds. So next we'll need 5 ounces of whatever wax melt wax you'd like to use. We want to try to get this wax to 200 degrees because we will be adding fragrance oil to this. Here I used a electric heater, but you can also use a wax melter. Next you'll need 1/64 teaspoon of mica powder. So these are the clamshells I like to use. There's a large size from Aztec, but you could use a smaller one as well. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to flip our heart upside down to where the part that was on the bottom of the mold will be on the bottom of the clamshell. Keep in mind you can place the hearts more towards the edge of the clamshell or in the middle like I do. And the tops of mine don't look great, but that's okay because we're going to be covering that up with our white wax. Today I used Peaches and Mints from Aztec. It really doesn't matter what fragrance oil you use, as long as you use 0.5 ounces. So once our wax gets to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to be adding our fragrance oil, and then we're going to mix in until the wax is no longer cloudy and all of the fragrance oil is mixed in. After our fragrance oil is mixed in, we're going to take the wax off the heater and we're just going to let it sit until it gets to 160 degrees Fahrenheit or less. This will keep our hearts and our white separate from each other so they don't mix together and get muddied. And then you're ready to pour. So after the wax hardens, this is what it will look like, but it isn't ready to melt yet. I would wait 14 days or more before melting your wax. This will allow it to smell stronger and release more scent. So here's what it looks like outside in the sun. As you can see, as it melts, the mica powder gets released and it sparkles as it melts. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you're interested in the wax melts and candles I sell, they're on sweetstarcandles.com and you can use code YT15 for 15% off.